Asante sana, majina yangu Victor Kanyari, Baba Sky. Indian tribute yangu. Today, I honor and remember Mama Sky, the mother of our children, Sky and Danny. A woman whose presence shaped not only their lives, but mine as well. We shared many moments together, some joyful, some challenging, but all meaningful. She was a woman of kindness, calm, strength. A woman whose love for her children never wavered. Our journey had its own challenges, yet its own blessing. Us with beautiful memories, moments of laughter, shared dreams, and seasons of life that shape who we are today. These memories will forever remain special, part of my heart, and I will always remind me of a good we once shared. Above everything, Bet was devoted mother, her care, her warmth, her unwavering commitment to Sky and Danny, her gift they will carry with them throughout their lives. For this, I will always honor her. I'm grateful for the time we walked together, for the memories we built, and for the legacy she leaves in our children. Thank you for being a good mother. Thank you for the memories. Thank you for the strength. Please, you carry it. May your soul rest in eternal peace. Your love will continue to shine through our children, Sky and Danny, today and always. God bless you.
Appreciate Prophet kwa makofi. Tuinue mikono kama tunavyofanya kwa familia, tumuombee neno moja na kwamba pia Mungu ampe faraja, ampe amani ya moyo. Anahitaji the strength of God. May God provide it to you to carry it through without the presence of our sister. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen, amen. Asante. Ninaona wageni wetu wanaendelea kuingia, maaskofu wote walioingia na wachungaji na viongozi na marafiki.
Betty brought me to this altar, and I want to thank God for her. I want to read the tribute. We have all nieces and all the nephew. Tribute to my Aunt Betty. God blessed you with so many nieces and nephews. I am Joyce, one of your nieces. You are not just my aunt, but my best friend, my spiritual mother, my mentor. I still don't know how life is gonna be without you. I came hearing your last words that you told us together with your brother, my uncle Peter, before you went quiet. You said, "Go smart. Even in your final moments, you will build me, encourage me, and see greatness in me." You told me so much about business, about maturity, about handling people with grace, and about carrying myself with dignity.
Because of you, I earned respect from other people and from society. Also me and exposed me to people and opportunity I never knew I would encounter. I will forever miss you. You are my G in life and now in death. Thank you for everything you poured into me. Your legacy lives in who I am becoming. Rest well, my G, as we always used to call each other. Thank you.
Hata wao waliosheeni mikono, tufanye hiyo kazi kwa pamoja. The nieces and the nephews wanahitaji neema ya Bwana, wanahitaji nguvu, wanahitaji kushinda, na asigonjeke hata mmoja katikati yao kwa sababu ya kifo cha Betty. Asante sana the nieces and nephews, asante sana Joyce. Mwenye gari KCH 779Z unaombwa you attend to your car. KCH 779Z kindly attend to your car. Na mwenye gari KBY 323B attend to your car. DJ. God bless you. Tumpigie Esther Wahome makofi mazuri. Msanii tajika na bado amekuwa rafiki ya Betty kwa miaka mingi. Asante Esther kwa kuungana nasi. Naomba sasa the next tribute nimkaribishe baba ya watoto wa Betty, Prophet Kanyari. Tafadhali njoo